In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send mass emails faster, Salesforce platform. We'll start inside Salesforce in Lightning Experience. Make sure you're in the Sales app so you have quick access to the tools we'll use. If you're not there already, switch to Sales from the app launcher. This keeps the navigation consistent and makes the next steps straightforward. Next, decide whether you're emailing leads or contacts. Leads are typically prospects you haven't qualified yet, while contacts are people tied to existing accounts. Choose the object that matches your audience and open it from the navigation bar. Now, refine exactly who should receive your message by using a list view. Select a predefined list view that already fits your criteria, or create a new one with filters such as status, owner, region, or last activity. A focused list ensures relevance and better engagement. Remember to include fields like email and first name in the view so you can quickly spot missing data. If compliance is important in your organization, filter for opted-in recipients. Once your list looks right, select the records you want to email. You can choose individual rows or select all in the current view depending on your permissions and limits. With your audience set, click Send Email, then choose Send List Email. This action opens the composer designed for sending the same message to many people at once while still recording activity on each recipient's record. If you don't see this option, your Salesforce admin may need to enable it for your profile. To move faster and stay on brand, pick a pre-existing Salesforce email template. Templates standardize your subject lines, message body, and signatures, and often include legal language and approved links. If you have access to folders with team templates, use those for consistency and deliverability. From there, personalize the content using merge fields. Insert fields like first name, company, or a relevant date to make each email feel individually written. Keep an eye on your tone and verify that your template supports the fields you're using. If possible, add fallback text for any field that might be blank. Before sending, take a moment to preview, check that every placeholder resolves correctly, skim for typos, and confirm links and images work. If you want to optimize timing, choose Send Later to schedule delivery when your recipients are most likely to engage. Otherwise, click Send to deliver immediately. Be mindful of your organization's daily email limits and any compliance guidelines that apply. That's it. Your targeted personalized list email is on its way, faster and with better consistency.